If you want to learn more about Python and be up to date with my Python tutorials, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also leave a comment. Thank you. In Python, you might want to select a range of values from a list. In order to do this, we use slicing. Slicing, you can use the index to access a range from your items in the list. So in the list we have in front of us, we have 10 values. In those values, we can access the values using the index from 0 to 10, or we can access the values from the end using -1 to -10. Let's have a look at how we do this. Slicing notation. The slicing notation has the following format. You have a slicing operator which has square brackets and a colon in the middle. You can have a start and a stop for the range of values you want to extract from your list. So the select values from a list, you can select values from a list from the start position. You can have a stop value. This will include in the list up to the stop position -1. You can have a start value, however, and omit the stop value. So this will have a starting point for the first value in the list up into all the other values in the list. Also, you may omit the start value and it will extract everything up into the stop value, but doesn't include the stopping value. Let's have a look at some of these examples. Slicing. Let's select a range of values from our list. Let's first begin with creating our slice variable to store the results of the slicing. Okay, so we've created a variable called slice list, and then what we'll do, we'll assign it to the list name, and then we'll use the slice notation to extract some information. Okay, so let's extract numbers 16, 24, 32, 14, and 15, and 55. So in order to do that, we omit a start value and we'll give it a stop value. So we'll give it a value 5. Okay, so if you remember, when we're using lists and indexing, Python starts and most computing language starts with 0. So position 16, the value 16 is at position 0. 24 is at position 1. 32, position 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, even so we have 10 values, Python starts with 0 all the way to 9. So what we've said we wanted to stop at value 5, and the value 5 is 86. However, 86 is at position 5 but will not be printed out, so that's where we want to stop. We want to print everything all the way up until 86, but not including 86, so we'll get 16 to 55. So let's print out our slice list. So we go print slice list. Okay, so that prints out all the way 16, 24, 32, 55. Okay, so let's give let's have a start value this time and omit a stop value. So we're going to say we want to start from 6, index position 6. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this case, what will happen, it will print out everything and including index position 6. So therefore it will print out 27, 8, 19, 15. So let's save and then run our program. Okay, so you got 27, 8, 19, 15. Okay, let's now give our program a start value and a stop value. So therefore we're going to say we want to start from index position 2, which is 32. So we're going to start from 32 and we want to say our stopping position is 5. Okay, so our stopping position is going to be 5. And so what's going to, the values we'll have print out is what's at index position 2, which is 32. And it will stop at position 5. So if you remember, 86 is at position 5. So we want to stop there, but get everything all the way up to 86. So it will print out 32, 14, and 55. So let's save our program and run it. So let's run module, save. Okay, so we get 32, 14, and 15. Okay. What we could also do is start from the right to the left. This time we can get the negative or use the negative indexing. So if you remember, with negative, it starts from -1. 15 is in position -1. 19 is in position -2. 8 is in position -3. So it's -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and -10. So let's get the same numbers again. So 32, 14, and 55. So what we'll do, we'll start from, we have to get -8, isn't it? Our start position has to be -8. And our stop position will be -5. So let's save. Okay, and that prints out the same. 32, 14, and 55. Thank you for watching.